Welcome everyone, I'm Jake, this is Cobra Sport, and today it's development rollout day once again. Now today's vehicle touches all our hearts as it sports a somewhat already iconic engine known for turning heads through the streets and cities alike. As the saying goes, you can't escape the B58. With 369 brake horsepower on tap and four-wheel drive from the factory, the 2021 BMW M240i slightly reworks the recipe from its predecessor. However, it does follow similar beautiful styling routes with its coupe shell and enough mostly bulgy parts just to make you stand and stare. Beautiful, isn't it?
Wow.
However, as with most modern day performance cars, the exhaust system lacks a touch of emotion that the Cobra Sport development team were only too happy to rectify. So, what have we done to extract the glorious tone of the B58? Following a similar recipe to our M2 competition system, the Venom rear axle back system for the M240i removes the restrictive rear boxes of the BMW. This allows for much bassier tones to be connected through your tailpipes. The system also utilises 3-inch pipework right through to the tailpipes for optimal flow, sound and performance. The Cobra Sport system also bypasses your factory valve so that you can extract the tones you want no matter the mode you're driving in, right throughout the rev range. In regard to tailpipes, we're keeping things simple by building our pipework into the factory trims of the M240. This is going to keep that fresh OEM look and give you the added venomous bite of the Cobra Sport system every time you ignite the engine. So, they have the exhaust system. I think it's probably time we went to make some noise. For this section, audible isolation is advised. So grab your headphones or crank your speakers up and let's have a quick listen to the comparison of the stock system versus the Cobra Sport Venom system. Now, as far as GPF equipped vehicles go, the stock sound on the M240 isn't the worst I've heard. You can certainly tell there are 6 cylinders buried in there somewhere, they're just a little bit muted and diluted. However, install the Cobra Sport Venom system and suddenly the harmonies of the B58 spring back into life. Eargasm, anyone? Now, I'm sure most will agree, the sound of the Venom system on the M240 really is top notch. You've got those 6 cylinders screaming through and yeah, that's heaven. How does that translate into the real world? Quite simply put, amazingly. There's no real difference to the stock system. The only addition that you get is the extra noise. There's no vibrations, no resonance. It feels exactly as it did from factory. You've just got that extra glorification of the B58 as soon as your right foot gets a little bit heavy. And there we have it, the Cobra Sport Venom system for the BMW M240i. Put the bike back into your M-Light and the life back into your drives. As always, big thanks for watching. If you have any exhaust related inquiries, please get in touch. Until next time.